Hey YouTube, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to be telling you about a great recipe that I found on farforweightloss.com .au here. This is for keto chocolate chip cookies, and just gonna go through the ingredients here. You need 3.5 ounces of salted butter, um, erythritol. You need 4.5 ounces of that. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 large egg, 6 ounces of almond flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of xanthan gum, and that's for the binding. That's why it says optional, but they tend to come out better with this. And a quarter teaspoon of salt and 3 ounces of sugar-free chocolate chips. So here are the directions. You're basically, I'll go over these directions, but if you need some other, if you're looking for other supplements that are going to help you with your keto diet and block out carbs out of your diet, please check the link in the description. There's some great supplements that I mentioned there that really help with blocking out carbs so that your carbs do not get stored as fat. So check that link in the description. It'll explain a lot more. Just to supplement your diet with some of these recipes and stuff that I plan on putting out every once in a while here when I find something good like this recipe. So anyway, with those ingredients, you're gonna preheat your it's a fan force oven, 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Melt the butter in a saucepan until it's melted, of course, and place the melted butter in the erythritol in mixing bowl and beat it until it's combined. The real one of the real tricks to it is to make sure that you really mix it well. You want it to be very consistent. Add the vanilla extract and the egg. Beat it for another 15 seconds or so. I usually go for about 30 to 45 seconds. Like I said, consistency is everything. So then you're going to add the almond flour, the baking powder, xanthan gum, and salt, and then you're going to beat it again. And of course, I'm going to stress consistency is everything. Just stirring makes all the difference. So then you're going to press the dough together, remove the bowl, knead into the chocolate chips with your hands or a silicone spatula. And then you can use a small ice cream scoop to divide and shape each dough into 12 portions and place on a tray. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Definitely watch it around 10 minutes. I noticed that they do tend to cook a little bit. Sometimes it doesn't take 12 minutes. Maybe it's because of my elevation, or it depends on where you're cooking them, if you're close to sea level or not. And then you have your baking tip here, which I think was really helpful. If they haven't flattened for 6 to 7 minutes in the oven, press down with the back of a fork, and then allow to cook for allow to cool for 15 minutes. And then just keep it in an airtight container. They do last about 7 days. I finished mine like within 4 days, so I can't really vouch for that. They taste great. This is a really great recipe, guys. So yeah, check out the link in the description if you're looking for other low carb solutions and supplements that can help you, even if you do have like a cheat day or something. There are supplements out there that will prevent carbs from being stored as fat. So thank you guys for checking out the video. Check the link in the description. Please rate, comment, subscribe. I appreciate it. And have a nice day. And take care, guys.